So we went ahead and purchased two EFURDEN Adirondack chairs, as you can see here in the blue color. The chairs come really well packaged, and as far as how many parts, it's really just the seat, the back, the two armrests, and then you have a couple support pieces. And surprisingly, it was easier than I thought to put together, even with just one person. Now to me, the little block under the armrests, I feel like they put the metal threads on the opposite side compared to how everything else goes together. Luckily, when you thread it in, it still works. And I had to end up using a different Allen wrench because the one that came with it tries to round off too easily for my taste. But it was still a pretty simple and easy installation. Assembly for one chair only took about 40 minutes. Now for some reason, there are parts that had small blemishes in the finish. Not really a huge deal for me since we're just setting these outside anyways, but just something that I thought I would point out. They do include a sanding sponge, which you can clean these chairs up with water and soap. Now to me, the surface of the chair sort of looks like real wood, and the texture is not quite as smooth as our other chairs we've got that have been painted. I mean, at first glance, you would think this is real wood. Overall, the build quality is pretty good with these. They feel like they're a little more heavy duty than some cheaper ones that we bought previously. But overall, the chair is pretty comfortable and has really good back support due to the deeper angle on these versus our other set of chairs. These are also quite a bit heavier than our other chairs as well, so you shouldn't have to worry about these getting blown around if it gets real windy out. Overall, I feel like we're pretty satisfied with these. I feel like you get pretty good value with these chairs considering the price. And if you're looking for a more affordable Adirondack chair, you should definitely check these out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.